Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the QX60 is equipped and permitted to remote start. Check the intelligent key battery and vehicle settings. Next, walk to the car, shut every door, hood, and trunk, place the shifter in park, and engage the parking brake. Once done, make sure climate preferences are set so the car uses heating or cooling on start. You act now. Hold the remote's lock button, then press and hold the remote start icon. That initial sequence tells the vehicle to prepare for remote start. You proceed with the exact start sequence. Press lock on the key fob, then press and hold the remote start button for the required seconds until lights flash. For smartphone users, open Nissan Connect, ensure your vehicle shows online, then send the remote start command. Wait for confirmation. While the engine runs remotely, watch for parking lights and a horn chirp. These confirm ignition. If climate control is set, the cabin will begin heating or cooling. This is why confirming settings earlier matters for comfort when you arrive. You finish by approaching with the intelligent key. Unlock and get into cancel remote start, press brake pedal, and shift to drive. If the vehicle doesn't start remotely, check simple causes. A weak key fob battery, remote start disabled in settings, or a low vehicle battery. Once checked, try the command again. One practical troubleshooting tip. If issues persist, enter and cycle the ignition to on to see dashboard error messages and hear the starter. That helps pinpoint whether it's an electrical, software, or configuration problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.